Honey, I'm set for my antenatal. I need 100K for resemblance fee.
Resemblance fee? What does that even mean? I have never heard of anything like that in the history of pregnancies.
Do you think I'm lying? You can call the doctor and confirm. The fees is even 150K, which I have to complete it with my money because I really want our baby to look like you. Or don't you want that?
I do.
It's not compulsory to pay. It's okay if you don't want a look-alike baby.
No, I want my baby to look like me. Check. I just sent you 200K.
Honey, I need to go to the hospital right now. The baby water is leaking. I'm seriously in pain and the baby is also in danger.
What? Are you in labor? But it's not yet time for you to give birth now.
I know it's not yet time. That is why I called the doctor. She said I should come quickly so they can refill the water immediately. The water refilling is 200K.
What? 200K? That is too much now.
This man, you don't want to save your baby? Is your baby not important to you?
He is very important, oh. Oh yeah, start going. I've sent it fast.